So why are we digitally transforming? Why are we going into the cloud? Why are we integrating? Well, to save time, to give visibility of information, to help people do their jobs better, sell more, service better. The list goes on and on and on. And one topic that dominates follow-up is, when am I going to get my order? When are you going to deliver my product? Well, delivery is something we can capture in Salesforce as well, by integrating to your ERP system and bringing that detail over. There's a number of ways you could handle it. It might be a very simple order where all of the products are getting shipped out in one go. So you could track all the different messaging from the courier like this and see it right there in Salesforce. Or it might be more complex, where one delivery contains products for multiple orders. Within that order, you want to see a breakdown. Those different products have different manufacturing timelines and are going to get delivered at different dates. So you want to see a timeline of that in the order. Or clicking on the delivery and seeing all the orders underneath. This is the way you need to be thinking as you digitally transform, to give the answers to people right there on their phone. Those customers are asking when they're going to get their order. You could tell them before they ask. Better yet, make that available through commerce or a portal for them to check themselves. This is the way you need to be thinking as you digitally transform.